So today, I made it rain in forest. Whoa! Look at this! See, there's some rain right there. You can also hear the raining noise. Just a big building right here. There's just a tree branch sticking out. I'm gonna try and get to it. Oh no, I missed. Wait, what? I just clipped straight through the building. It's not even 3D! It's just a 2D photo of the building. I'm gonna come to your house and kill you if you don't fix this. There's just buildings everywhere. That building's just tilted.
Oh my god.
And we got clouds. That's cool. So it's kind of like... Okay. Do you guys know who Zomzy is? I left a comment on his video talking about the concept of cosmetics I was thinking. But you know how he said, we'll get some clouds and it might start raining? Well, this is like maybe a little thing of what it might look like. Which is really cool, honestly. I'm gonna try get on the tallest tree and see what it looks like. Look at this. Oh, it's like raining hard over there. Now I can actually see the rain. Why is this kind of sad?